In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a file in Adobe Illustrator. Saving your work properly ensures that you can access it later for editing or sharing in the desired format. Adobe Illustrator provides various options for saving files, whether on your computer or in the Adobe Creative Cloud. To begin, click on the File option located at the top navigation bar of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Save As. A window will appear asking if you want to save your file on your computer or in the Creative Cloud. If you choose Save to Creative Cloud, your file will be stored online, allowing you to access it from any device connected to your Adobe account. You can also create new folders within Creative Cloud to keep your files organized. If you prefer to save your file on your computer, select On Your Computer from bottom left corner of this window. Then, choose the location where you want to store the file. You'll have different format options. Saving your file as AI, Adobe Illustrator, allows you to reopen and edit it anytime without losing quality. If you want to share the file, you can save it as a PDF, which is easy to open and view on most devices. If you need to save your file in an image format such as JPG or PNG, go to File again, hover over Export, and click Export As. In the export window, you'll find many different formats to choose from. Select your desired one. For example, JPG is useful for web and social media, while PNG preserves transparency. After selecting the format, click Export. You'll have options to adjust quality and resolution before saving the file. After adjusting these settings, click on OK and your file will be exported, and that's how you can save files in Adobe Illustrator.